Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to watch Disney Plus using a VPN. In short, a VPN is a tool that lets you change your virtual location so you can access content that isn't normally available in your region. With this app, you can browse Disney Plus catalogs from around the world and stream your favorite movies and shows in high definition without buffering or lag. Personally, I use ExpressVPN. It's the one I find most effective. It lets you access almost any catalog, and it's fast enough for HD streaming. Before we jump in, if you'd like to try ExpressVPN at any time, just visit vpn-club.com/exp or click the link in the description below. It will take you to the best deal currently available. Let's move on to the demo. Here is how to watch Disney Plus with a VPN. I'm currently in France, and if I open Disney Plus, as you can see, I have access to the French Disney Plus catalog, with plenty of movies and TV shows, but not all the content that's available in the US Disney Plus catalog, for example. Now I'll open ExpressVPN. I select the US from the list of countries. As you can see, many other countries are available as well. I click on the US. It's connecting. This only takes a few seconds, and that's it. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the US. I'll refresh the page, and that's it. I now have access to the US Disney Plus catalog. As you can see, I now have access to a broader selection of movies and TV shows that aren't available in my country. I'll start playing a movie at random. As you can see, the stream runs smoothly with no lag. That's how easy it is to watch Disney Plus with a VPN. And as you've seen, it works perfectly. To try it yourself, go to vpn-club.com/exp or click the link below this video. As mentioned earlier, it will lead you to the best offer available right now. I've shown you the process on a computer, but the exact same principle applies to smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. It's also the same method for accessing Disney Plus libraries from other countries. ExpressVPN offers servers in 105 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Japan, South Korea, and many more. It's also worth noting that ExpressVPN comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can use the service for several weeks with no restrictions and request a full refund if you're not satisfied. Beyond Disney Plus, a VPN like ExpressVPN also helps you browse more privately, secure your connection, bypass internet censorship, save money on subscriptions, and much more. That's all for today. You now know how to watch Disney Plus with a VPN. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.